The future perfect continuous tense is a verb tense used to describe actions that will be ongoing or in progress at a specific point in the future. In entomology, the study of insects, this tense can be particularly useful when discussing insect behavior. Ecology, or life cycles. Let's explore how the future perfect continuous tense can be applied in entomology with some illustrative examples. The caterpillars will have been feeding on the leaves for weeks before they start to pupate. By the time the sun sets, the bees will have been pollinating the flowers all day. Next month, the newly hatched nymphs will have been molting several times as they grow into adult insects. Scientists predict that the pest population will have been impacting the crops for months before a solution is found. The ants will have been building their intricate underground tunnels for years before the colony reaches its peak population. In entomology, the future perfect continuous tense can be used to emphasize the ongoing nature of insect activities and processes. It helps to convey a sense of continuity and progression in the life cycles and behaviors of insects. By using this tense, researchers and students can better describe the intricate and dynamic world of insects and their interactions with their environment. In conclusion, the future perfect continuous tense is a valuable tool in entomology for discussing the continuous and ongoing nature of insect activities and processes. By using this tense, ESL students can enhance their understanding of insect behavior, life cycles, and ecology. Practice using the future perfect continuous tense in entomological contexts can help students improve their English language skills and their comprehension of entomological concepts.